Right on, it's 30 March, 1028, and this is a, gosh, what is this? This is a, I have to read it from here. Can I read? I can't read it from there. Well, it's a Sharp National Panasonic and a Aiwa. I think that's right. Okay. And that's full screen. Okay, great. I've got a tape. I got power on. Okay, so never opened this humongous thing. So this is one big box. All right. Okay. All right. So now and then. Well, that's great. Okay, all right. So now, don't get a Charlie horse. All right, so. Bag. What is this? Spray-in foam? This looks like it's sprayed in foam because what the hell? Sprayed in foam, people. Well, okay. How far down we gotta go to get to this thing? Oh my God. Well, it's sprayed in foam, dude. Oh, oh God. Right there. Okay, fine. Oh, God. More sprayed in foam. Now, sprayed in foam. Well, gonna be fun. Well, okay. See if we can just cut into this plastic bag here. There we go. So here's the first. Oh, great. That's nice. Okay, great. So we've got a power supply. This is the sugar. Okay, this is Toshiba sugar. Alright, so there's that. It's got the power supply, power cord. It's even still plugged in. Stupid. Okay. Then more. Okay, so and then, alright, there we go. And down the bottom, 3 across, are the other 3, alright, so see if you pull out the center one. Oh, great. Individually wrapped. There we go. So this is the National. Anyway, we'll get to that in a moment, maybe, or maybe not. There's a National, and then here's the Sharp with a digital display. Alright. And then here's a what is this? An Aiwa double auto reverse. Okay, so there we go. And then we got, well, okay, we're just going to have to real tricky this whole thing because this is all one-time use only sprayed in stuff, so put that back in there and that back there and this and that and then this here and yeah, so and just oh what fun. Alright, yeah, we're live on Facebook doing this. Oh my god. Well, here. Here's a so here, let's go. Alright, so now, okay, so yeah. So here we go. It's a nice gold-toned. Don't know about that. Well, all right. Has a funny smell to it. Shouldn't have any smell, but you know how things are. This has a 5-band equalizer, double auto reverse, and what? Am I reading this right? Panoramic equalizer. What the heck does that mean? Well, let's see here. Okay, so what kind of plug does it take? It takes a what? This only takes. Okay, I didn't bring a 9-volt DC adapter, but that's all it takes. Is I don't have a 9-volt DC adapter thing here with me, so. But there it is. Let's see. Well, do that in a moment, I guess. So here's a what is this? This is a I don't know. I'll just unwrap it. Just unwrap the silly thing. This is the one with the digital display, whatever that is. So, yeah. Sharp. Okay. Right. This is a Sharp. Okay. This is not necessarily the model I wanted to get, but this is part of a buy 4 to get 1 or 2. This is a Sharp. I'll make an individual thing of that later. And this is a Aiwa. This is the one I kind of sort of wanted to get, but wasn't the one I was shooting for. So I dropped the scissors way over there. Okay. So. So this is a, well, this has a tape in it. Does it have, what? This does not have, this has a tape in it, but again it has a 9-volt adapter. It doesn't take an AC cord. I'll be. Okay, and the last one, the one I really wanted, what I was going for, was this one here. Let's see here. This is why I don't like these kind of deals where you go for one, but you have to buy 4. So, well, okay. This is the one I wanted right here. Okay. This one does take an AC cord in the back. Yay hoo. And alright, so we'll just, oh my god. It's got a live, okay. And we'll just put that in our pocket. Not letting that go anywhere. Alright, so now, and then, see, this is set up for, well, okay, well, right. That's the one I was going for, is that one there, right? So we got that, this, all these, let's see here. Only this one's missing the little switch cap cover right there. This has got them all, this has got them all. But I mean, this is just a plastic cap thing that goes on top of these. You know, you can still run this up and down. It's just a little plastic thing missing. Okay. And there we have it. So here's a power. Well, here's a power brick, I guess, that I could use with one of these or something. I have to look at my pictures from the listing that I got this from. And this is a national power supply, so it's a national power supply, 9 volt, 500 milliamp. Okay, so that'll go with the, where's the national? I don't know. There's one of these here, but okay. Anyway, that's it. I'm not going to play them. I'll play them once I get them played, or, well, yeah, because I really can't play them. I can play this one here. Let's see if we can play this one. It's got a regular plug. Okay, so just plug it into a regular plug. It's plugged in. It's been plugged in all this time. That doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything. Alright, well, I'll investigate it later. Okay. Yeah, too much fun. Alright. Probably work on batteries. Yeah. Who knows? Alright, I've had fun. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go and turn all this stuff off. Alright, so. Oh, gosh. Yep. Okay, thanks for watching. Wave and goodbye. Oh, damn it. Finish. Right, I can't see this like this. So, resume. Paused. Finish. What happened? It was paused? Here, wait. Sorry, I left the room. I think I left the YouTube camera on, recording nothing but silence for about that long. So here, let me give the YouTubers an up close and personal view of this. So here's a, oh gosh, that's this. That doesn't work already. This is what? This is a, no, this is not going to be a very good video, but it has all that. Just another odd model. And then here is, so then And here's a, this one here looks like that. Looks like that. Whatever. Okay. Just, and here's this one, which is a, probably the, another, okay. Too much fun. Alright, well, not a very good video, but that's all it is. Alright. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Put this away. Bye-bye.